So a sure winner is a card, either in Declare's hand or in the dummy, that will take a trick without giving up the lead to the defenders, right? Defenders bad. We don't want the defenders in. All right, so and the maximum number of winners you can take is the number of cards in the long side. Okay, so you can have a whole bunch of honors, but if they're stacked up into short suits, they don't create as many winners as the ones that have little cards connected with them. So let's try these 4 examples here and count sure winners here. And just, you can put them all in one line. I'll start the timer and let's do 30 seconds. All right, example number 1 in the spade suit. We have the ace, king, queen of spades, 3 winners. 3 winners because we have little cards that go along with our honors. So we're going to be able to play the 2 of spades to the ace, the king of spades to the 5, and the 7 of spades to the queen for 3 sure winners. Versus hand number 2. Let's compare hand number 1 and hand number 2. We have the same 3 honors, the ace, king, queen, but the problem is we don't have a little card in the north hand that we can put with the king in south's hand.